Hello kids, in this video we are going to solve the exercise. Before that we just revise the lesson. Let us revise. Point 1. Accidents can be prevented by being careful and alert. How can avoid the accidents? Accidents can be avoided or prevented by being careful and alert. 2. We must follow safety rules on the road, at home, in the kitchen and at swimming pool. 3. We must not panic in case of an accident. We must not become a panic in the case of an accident. Become a strong and give the first aid or make a help to the accidents victim. So see here, it is an exercise. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option from those given in the bracket. Options are given in front of that one statement. First we will read the statements. A. Fire accidents can be lead to dash dash. Scraps or burns or scratches. Burns. Answer is burns right here. B. We can prevent accidents if we follow the dash dash rules. School, first aid or safety rules. Safety rules. Right here. Safety rules. We can prevent accidents if we follow the safety rules. C. Person must be given an dash dash injection if the cut is caused by the rusted objects. Anti-tetanus or antiviral or antibacterial. Anti-tetanus. Right here. Anti-tetanus. Person must be given an anti-tetanus injection if the cut is caused by rusted object. D. A person learning swimming must always use a ball, toy or float. Float. Right here. Float. E. Apply dash dash cream on the burnt part. An antiseptic or a cold or soothing antiseptic. An antiseptic. Apply an antiseptic cream on the burnt part. Now we'll see. Tick the correct safe actions and cross the unsafe ones. Tick for the safe ones actions and cross the unsafe ones. Anuj and Alia are trying to cross the road while the cars are in motion. It is wrong. Anuj and Alia are trying to cross the road while the cars are in motion. Wrong. So cross here. B. Manoj always use a sharpener to sharpen the pencil. Correct. It is correct. We use always sharpener to sharpen the pencil. C. Tanya, a 6-year-old girl, is trying to ignite a stove with a matchstick. Wrong. It is a wrong sentence. And it is a wrong actions too. Don't try to ignite a stove. Tanya is a very little girl, small girl, and that is not a Tanya's work. Understood, no? So you away from this type of work. D. Dinesh pushed his friend into the swimming pool. It is also wrong. It is also wrong. Cross this one. Tina throws banana peels out of her school bus windows on the road. Wrong. This one's action wrong because don't throw banana peels someone fruits peel because someone slipped down on that peels and they get hurt. F. Arjuna never talk on his mobile phone while driving. Yes, correct. Never talk on mobile phones when you will drive. Najma saw Tarun drowning in the swimming pool and immediately informed the authorities. Correct. This action is correct. Najma saw Tarun drowning in the swimming pool and immediately informed the authorities. Correct. That time, Najma saved the Tarun's life. H. Deep is only 10 years old but enjoys repairing the electric iron. It is wrong. He is a small and don't repair any electric objects. You call the electrician and repair that one. Okay, so this action also wrong. Cross this one. Now we are going to see the question answers. Answer the following question. How does first aid help the accident victim? How does first aid help the accident victim? Answer is, first aid is the initial care given to an injured person. This timely care prior to the arrival of the medical help means the difference between the life and death. First aid is the difference between the life and death. It can save someone's life. Understood? Now question B. Why is it dangerous to touch the electric plug with a wet hand? Answer. In this case, person receives an electric shocks when we touch the electric plugs with a wet hand. In this case, person receives an electric shock, so it is dangerous to touch the electric plug with a wet hand. C. Which two safety rules should you follow, especially when alone at home? Which two safety rules should you follow, especially when alone at home? Wipe off the water split on the floor immediately. Don't leave the sharp pointed objects such as the scissors, knives, etc. lying around. Next, D. What type of first aid must be given to a burns victim? What type of first aid given to be burns victim? Hold the burnt area under cool running water. Next, then put an ice pack on the burnt area. You may also dip the burnt area in the cold water. This will give the great relief. Apply an antiseptic cream on the burnt area. These are the first aid given to the burnt victim. E. State any two precautions to be taken while walking on a busy road. State any two precautions to be taken while walking on a road. 1. Learn to read the traffic signals correctly. Cross the road when the vehicles are stationary. 2. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. First look to the right, then look to the left, then look to the right again, and only then cross the road when the traffic stops. Question number 4. Give reasons for the following. It is compulsory for motorcyclists to wear a helmet. Give reason. It is compulsory for motorcyclists to wear a helmet because of a fatal risk of the traumatic brain injury is so high. It is crucial for the motorcyclist to take action to protect themselves while riding. Wearing a helmet that is approved by the Department of the Transportation is one of many precautions a rider can take to increase the safety on the open road. B. Children learning swimming have to wear a floats. Why? Children learning swimming have to wear a floats. Yes, because children learning to the swimming must wear a floats for their protection. Without these floats, the child is subject to drowning. Understood? So, children learning swimming have to wear a floats. Okay, kids. Here our lesson exercise over. You read the lesson, read the exercise and solve it in textbook and copy down it in your notebook. These all question answers I will give in homework. These question answers as a homework. Understood, no kids? Thank you for watching the video.